Ekabo means welcome in my language. So I was looking for a place to unwind and I saw this place on the internet and I decided to visit and I documented my visit. I don't know how to pronounce the place, so I won't even try. I was already loving the atmosphere as we drove in. The view was nice, everywhere looks tidy and very clean. It was really a nice view. So we were asked to go into the reception to make payments. It was 75 rand per person, and trust me, these things, these artistic things, they actually scare me. I'm lying. So we paid, and yeah, let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, tour with me and see the beautiful. Africa is blessed. Africa is really blessed. But before I show you around, I have a very important message to pass across. Listen.
Hey guys, it's Amo again. If you are new on the channel, please like, comment and subscribe so we can do more amazing videos together. I love you guys. Yeah, so look at zebras. We have other animals that we are yet to find out. I don't know why these zebras are running away. I am human, they are animals. We are not the same. It's a very vast piece of land. Yeah, so you really need to take a look around. It's very, very, very large. And I am chilling with zebras. Sure, brother. How's it? Oh, you're not allowed to go outside of the car. Oh, okay. Okay, sure. Okay. All right, sure, no problem. Thank you. Yeah. We were told that it is wrong to get out of the car while seeing the animals, but there's something about breaking rules, right? There's something about breaking rules. So yeah.
Can't lie, I was enjoying the view and I didn't want to leave at that point. But we had to leave, and that was right before I feasted on some Mr. Beast feastables.